Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Pioneer TV remote suddenly stops working and the TV no longer responds to button presses, it can quickly become frustrating, especially when you are just trying to change channels or adjust settings. Sometimes the remote seems completely inactive, while other times only a few buttons respond and the rest feel unresponsive. Small things like battery placement, signal interruptions, button buildup, or temporary connection problems can sometimes affect how the remote communicates with the TV. Before thinking you need a replacement, there are few quick things worth checking because many remote problems can improve after simple adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix a Pioneer TV remote not working or responding. Try these. Step 1. Replace the batteries inside the Pioneer TV remote if button presses no longer seem responsive. Step 2. Point the Pioneer TV remote directly toward the TV and make sure nothing blocks the signal path. Step 3. Clean around the buttons on the Pioneer TV remote if some controls feel harder to press than usual. Step 4. Remove the batteries from the Pioneer TV remote briefly before placing them back again. Step 5. Restart the TV connected to the Pioneer TV remote if response still feels delayed or missing. Step 6. Test different controls on the Pioneer TV remote and confirm the TV begins responding normally again.